it's nothing. Look, they're just a bit stuck, that's all. Look. I'll soon have you out.
Shouldn't we just wait? Ah!
I'm sorry, we're nearly there.
Shouldn't we just get out, get your mobile?
Let's just get you away from the car first.
What's that? What's the smell?
It's nothing. Don't worry. Oh, come on!
Petrol.
Don't worry. I think I can. Oh! Look, they're free. Come on, Em. Come on.
I don't know if I can.
You can. Look, just put your arms around my neck.
I'll try.
Look, we're nearly there. Nearly there.
Ah!
Oh, that's it. Look, you're out now. Look, it's all over. Can you just? Oh, Emma. Oh God, no. Oh, I'm sorry. No, we've got to get away from the.